healthcare provider struggling to streamline your practice, reduce administrative burdens, and improve patient outcomes? Well, it's time to introduce you to AthenaOne. So, AthenaOne is an AI powered all in one healthcare solution designed to enable clinical and operational efficiency, empowering you to achieve your best possible outcomes. In this video, we'll explore how AthenaOne, or in this case, AthenaHealth, can help transform your practice. We'll showcase its AI powered features, its benefits for independent practices, and its specialty specific workflows. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, their website actually consists of this page. So, you can go to their website by going to athenahealth.com. So, with this case, you can actually reduce your daily inefficiencies and improve your claim complexity. So, this particular software can help you reduce your staff burnout with AI powered innovation. So, let's head over and see what's good with Athena One. So, as you can see right here, we have in here an example of what your dashboard will look like. So, as an example, our actual group name is Seven Hills Medical Group. On our homepage, we can see some notifications, quick links, and we can also see the patient portal for that. So, in here, we have our left sidebar, which consists of homepage, appointments, messages, billings, health, tasks, and tools, as well as your own profile. So, under your appointment, you can actually schedule them. So in order to do that, just head over right here to the appointments option and click onto the schedule new. For this one, the first step is to specify a reason. So it will ask you what will be the reason for the visit of that client. So you can choose in here annual physical, acupuncture, texting, as well as exam, follow up, and consult. For this one, just choose one for that particular appointment. Now you have the option to add some additional details. You can input right here some more options or some more symptoms. After that, click onto the select appointment. It will already provide us with a quick diagnosis. We have in here an example for that. So we have chest pain earlier for the symptoms, and it actually redirects us to high blood pressure and heart and circulation as well as heart problems. So in that way, you will can know actually where the actual consultation or exam will go. Now in here we have a diagram for the interactive symptom checker. So in here we can see that we can choose between men and women, and you can choose between the parts of your body right here. So in that way, you can actually check which part of your body has those particular symptoms. I also change right here or actually fill up medical forms like health history as well as instructions. We have medications, immunization history, disease condition, surgical, family health, social, and as well as allergies. So make sure to get all of the histories of your actual patient in order to have a more comprehensive background on them. So as you can see, this calendar has these timestamps for each time of the day. And you can see in here those schedules or those appointments that has been made. So you can just input right here that particular person's conditions. You can see the ready for checkout as well as any charges that this particular customers or patient has incurred. So we have in here this check-in option. So for example, we have in here this patient's relation. So we can see in here this particular patient. We can see their patient payment. You can collect the payment for them. You can release those receipts as well as form. So once you have seen that particular person, you can click on done with check-in and you can check them in if they actually showed up for the appointment. Now, here's the amount that needed input right here the copay as well as the amount, input the today's payment, and you can also have the option to keep their card file on the file for a year, or you can also not keep them. Input right here the maximum contract amount, patient email, re-enter them, and then input right here the payment information. You can choose right here the payment time as well as payment method for that. Now in here, make sure to also check insurance eligibility before the visit as well. You can choose in here if they have some insurance, they have in here primary, secondary, as well as the patient's condition related to employment, incidents, accidents, and the likes. Now you can put right here their intake, which is their vitals, allergies, as well as other things right here, such as social history like occupation, education, as well as if they actually smoke, or you can also see in here their quality management, the continually update feed for fee programs, as well as adult access to preventive health services, tobacco cessation, and the likes. We also have in here these interventions for those intakes as well. You can put the enrollment reporting for data submission. And in this, you can click onto this patient receive and education as well. So for the exam, we have in here the encounter reasons. We have the quick picks, like for example, dizziness, nasal congestion. Then they can actually consult with a physician. They can click onto this done with exam once you're done. Now you can also input right here some associations for associated symptoms, modifying factors, coughs. You can choose if they're smokers. You can see in here the records on your actual clinic. You can see in here as well those EKG in close to nobody. You can also input right here your actual details for your exam. Your recommendations as well as some prescriptions. Also, if you're injured, you can evaluate and treat them. And for example, if their actual condition is related to sports, you can make a referral to that. So it may not be necessarily be sports, but if you think that you're not the right physician for that, you can also make a referral based on your conclusions. You can search for the nearest physician near you for the referrals. Now, once you're done with that, you can proceed with checking them out and then inputting their service, charging their insurance, going right here for their diagnosis, and clicking onto this done with checkout option. Now, for that, you can have a seamless integration between practice management system and EHR using this particular tool. Now, you can input right here the claim review for this, for their insurance, the claim notes, patient, as well as some other options. So if you're interested to learn more, just head over to their website, which is athenahealth.com. And then you should be able to actually request a demo for them. So in this case, if you're ready to transform your practice, just visit their website and this can actually help you achieve your goals. If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your network. Subscribe to our channel for more insights on healthcare technology and EHR solutions. So, what are your biggest challenges with managing your healthcare practice effectively? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.